My name is Jim McLaren. Today is Thursday, November 2nd, 2017. Today we're going to look at these crimpers. They're made by Hilitchi, and the number on them is X00159-5N9QX9. Now I paid $26.99 off Amazon. That's Canadian. And then a couple days later I went to check the pliers, and they're on now for $78.99. So I don't know why the price increased. That's a big price increase. That's almost triple. But anyway, I got them for $26.99. On the back of the pliers, there are different hand crimping tools that they offer. Different models here. And they show you some of the crimping that they have on it. Now, unit itself, got colors written, the colors on here. That's the name of it. And the name on the pliers itself, I can focus here, HS-30J. It's got the red, blue, yellow. It's got an adjusting wheel here. And I'll loosen that screw and you can adjust this wheel. The back of the pliers. Fairly comfortable in the hand. Fairly big. They're about 9 inches long, the pliers themselves. About 9 inches. Now you're clicking here. Yeah, there's a wheel. Actually, you can actually see the teeth here. And you click it up, and then that's the releases. This release on them. So today we're going to crimp a blue one today, and I'm going to be using this crimper here. I already used my Orton vice grips to cut a piece off here, just to try it here. Now I'm going to put it in the pliers. Now it's clicked, released. There's your crimp. Makes a nice crimp here. Makes a single crimp here. That's on there nice and tight. So these again are the Hilitchi crimping pliers. And I don't know why the price changed. I don't think they're worth $79. They're nice crimping pliers. Feel good in the hands. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers who subscribed in the last couple of weeks. And my current subscribers, thanks very much for listening today and being a subscriber. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave your comments too. I like to see the comments. And if you're watching this for the first time today, thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for listening again. Have a good day.